My name is Robert Deschler. I'm the Managing Director of BEKA Hospitec in Germany, and I welcome you today for a small factory tour. And as you know, BEKA is the leading manufacturer in design and quality for bathtubs and mobile devices for care homes and hospitals. Please see, this is our factory area, and follow me to a small tour through the factory. Welcome now to our showroom at BEKA Hospitec. As you can see, we have different areas where we present our product range. The bathroom area, as you can see here, we have a wide area with our mobile lifters. And as well, on the left side, a selection of our bathtubs. So, then let's go up to the administration and let's have a look at that. So, here we are on our administration floor. We are going now into the customer service side. Our three ladies, hello, hi, how are you?
Good.
Excellent. So, we are coming now to the marketing department. Hi, our marketing lady, Antina.
Hey.
So, here you can see we go outside. Here is our national sales manager. Hello, Jörg.
Hello.
How are you? Good. So, conference, meeting room, the floor. Now, I'm happy to present our new export director. Hello. How are you?
Thank you for the mask. I'm good. How is everyone?
Yeah, thank you.
I'll see you soon on another video.
Yeah. So coming to the controlling, finance controlling. Hi, Christine.
Hi.
Our finance control manager. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Excellent. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Bookkeeping. Hi, Anke.
Hi.
Yeah. And this is my office. So this was a short tour through our nice administration and office and showroom building. So now we are coming to our service department. Hello, here's the front desk. How are you? Good. How is service going? Perfect. Excellent. This is our service manager, Andreas. Hi. Hi, Andreas. Say hello. Good. Hello. Yeah. And then we go now to another department. Here we are in our warehouse where we are doing the packaging from our products and preparing the shipping for our worldwide customers. Here is the area where we are shipping goods out and receive goods, as you can see. Here you can see our area where we are assembling our mobile devices like the color lifters, Nora lifters, or the changing tables or shower trolleys. So this is the area where we are. So now we are coming to the area where we are producing our wonderful bathtub range. Please follow me. Here on the left side you can see our production manager, Mr. Michael Los Santos. Hello, Michael.
Hello.
And here is the area where we are producing different range of bathtubs, like a Vero Comfort with air spa system, as you can see, compact motion tubs, and a wide range of different tubs we are shipping and producing for you, our customers around the world. This is now a new building we built last year, and we have here different departments. Now we come to the purchase department. Hi, how are you? Good? Hello. So here we're coming to the workflow preparation and quality checking. Hello, Martin. So another very important department is our quality management department. Our quality manager. Hi. How are you? All okay? Excellent. And now to our engineers, where they are hopefully develop a lot of new products. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, yeah, here is the intelligence of the BEKA Hospitec with a lot of new products, hopefully. Yeah. So now we finished our tour. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye. All the best.